In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video from Google Drive to your computer quickly and efficiently. Whether you have videos from your own library or ones shared with you, we'll cover the straightforward process of getting them onto your device. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other one you typically use. Once you've got that open, head over to drive.google.com. This will take you to the homepage of Google Drive, where you'll need to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you use the account where your video is stored. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate the video you wish to download. You'll find it under one of the sections on the left-hand side of your Drive's interface. It might be in My Drive, which is your primary storage area, shared with me. If someone else has shared the file with you, or recent, if it's something you've been working on or opened recently, browse through these sections until you find your target file. Once you've located the video, hover your mouse over it and right-click. This will open a menu with various actions you can take. Look for the download option among these and click it. With just that, you've initiated the downloading process. You'll need to exercise a little patience here. Depending on the size of your video and your internet speed, the download could take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Once the download completes, your video will be saved automatically to your computer's Downloads folder. You can find it by opening your File Explorer if you're on Windows, or Finder if you're on a Mac, and navigating to your Downloads directory. Now, for those of you wanting to download multiple videos at once, there's a handy shortcut feature in place. Hold down the Control key if you're using Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac, and click each video you wish to download. This allows you to select multiple files simultaneously. After highlighting your chosen videos, simply right-click on any one of them and select the download option. Google Drive will then package these videos into a convenient zip file for ease of downloading. This might take a bit longer, given you're handling more data, but once complete, you'll find this zip file in your Downloads folder as well. And there you have it, a straightforward method to download your videos from Google Drive to your computer. Whether it's one video or a whole collection, you're now equipped with the knowledge to get them onto your local storage quickly and easily. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your saved videos.